Hi, it's Juliet, and this video is about everything I sewed in 3 days of intense creation. For the past 2 years, my mother and I have been taking a sewing class, and we've been enjoying it, but in the summer there's no class. So with my mother, my aunt and myself, we decided to reunite for a weekend and a day on top of that. The goal of those 3 days was to spend time together and sew. I personally wanted to adjust jeans because I found one jean that fit me quite well. I had one originally and then I bought 5 more in all the colors. I liked them, but they're bell bottom, which is cool, but I also would like skinny jeans because normally I wear skinny jeans. So the plan was to buy 5 more, so I now have 11, and adjust those 5 to be skin tight. For the first one, well, I'm wearing heels, but I'm not going to do that for each. But for the first one, I did one leg and it was going pretty well, which I was surprised about because I had never sewn jean fabric before, and especially I had never done that weird flat felled seam finish that is characteristic of jeans. It's actually not that hard, I just watched a tutorial and I was like, oh okay, that's it. On the second leg, I made a mistake because I closed it before I did the flat felled seam, which then was really complicated to do. Also, it's not the same size as the first one, it's a bit tighter, but it really was okay, so I left it like that and I already had one jean done. I took advantage of my sewing machine being the right color to sew close the low cut of a shirt I had, and then for the end of the day I unsewed all of the other jeans, hoping to brush through them the next day. But then tomorrow arrived, and the green wasn't that bad, it was the blue one that was awful. What you see here is pure denial because I was just like, yeah, I finished my leg, look at it. But it's so tight that in the span of the minutes that it took me to sew close another low cut of another shirt that I had, I couldn't feel my foot anymore. It would partially cut the blood flow in my leg. I spent so long on it because I wanted to fix it fast, so I only adjusted the one line seam to extend the leg, but then it wasn't cutting it at all, so I unsewed everything and tried again on the one line side because I was like, no, it's gonna be fine this time, and of course it wasn't. So I finally accepted that I had to redo the flat felled seam again. I unsewed the one line, unsewed the flat felled, then redid the flat felled, extending it, and then redid the one line. That was a whole process. It took me pretty much the whole day to do this blue jean. And we were already on the third day, which was a stormy day. It was really nice because it's a mood to sew in. This time I was fully educated, so there would be no more mistakes. But no, I redid it, the same mistakes. The grey jean was way too tight. So I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to redo it. But at least I didn't lose time trying to not lose time. I fully unsewed everything and I started over. I took a long time trying to align it correctly, but it didn't work and I had to unsew it again. But I really tried, and that's what I like about me in this weekend, is that I didn't give up, because normally I would have just said, no, it's fine, I can wear it like that, no problem. And I wouldn't have corrected it, and obviously I wouldn't have wear it after that, which is stupid because I bought those jeans specifically to adjust them to my test and my size. So I'm happy I persevered, even though I was bothered by the fact that I thought this weekend was gonna be the weekend where I sewed a ton and would be super productive. Clearly my expectations were too high compared to what I could do. I don't know why I thought I could do that, but I couldn't. I'm actually really happy that I succeeded to do the 5 jeans. So I redid the grey a third time, and this time it was the right cut, and then lastly I sewed the black one. And this time I was extra careful about not making it too tight. So I made it too big. And turns out making it too big is as complicated to fix as making it too small. I had to unsew everything and start over 2 times. And I didn't film the leg that was too big because I was like, no. No, I don't like it. So I just redid it in a couple hours. It was a nice day because I was with my family and I had a day of work and all that, but still it was very frustrating. I'm impressed about my patience on doing and redoing a project that I expected would be so simple. But at the end I did finish the black one, which is the largest still. But it's fine. You know, sometimes you want your calves to be super comfortable. I was just like, okay, fine, Moving on, I finished my jeans, and the weekend wasn't over. I mean, we were on the third day, so I didn't have a lot of time left. But still, I decided to make a t-shirt, which is from a pattern that I created this year. It took me the whole year to do because it's the kind of thing where you sew one, it's very wrong, then you adjust the pattern and so on and so forth. But now I have one t-shirt pattern that I like. The problem is that I created it with very stretchy fabric and now I was using warmer fabric, so tighter. So FYI, the t-shirt will also be way too tight. And I don't think I can wear it because this time it's not correctable. I swear, normally I sew stuff that are my size. Next weekend actually, so in 4 days, I'm going back to my mom's and we're gonna sew again. I hope I'll be able to sew stuff that are my size on the first try, but in the end, I'm very satisfied about having 5 new jeans that are fitting me well and that are the cut that I wanted. And also, I had a very nice time with my mother and my aunt sewing together. It's a memory I won't forget. Bye!